It's not the fulfillment outside, for which we have been running and running in a rat race, in the competition, in comparison with others. And because of that fulfillment outside, we have actually fallen. And now, if we want to rise, then we need to look within, inside. And when we look within, inside, it is we give time and energy to strengthen our this character of peace, trust, and love. This corona is teaching us a very good lesson that when you are locked down, you unlock your inner treasures. And when you unlock your inner treasures and you focus upon them, then you find a new currency which this corona has given us. And that new currency is of peace, trust, and love. And that makes us rich with experience. And when we are rich with experience, there is that inner fulfillment, because it's the wisdom inside which makes us, feel that fulfillment inside. And this fulfillment, it actually brings that true happiness. And when we have done all that, it's like we have updated ourselves. We were just outdated, and now we have updated ourselves. And once, it's like updating a computer. And once you have updated a computer with your next version, a better version, then what is required? Anything, any app you update it, and then what is required? What does the operating system tell you to do? Reboot, restart. So this is what is required, to reboot and restart with a higher purpose in our life. Not what we have been doing up till now, but with a greater purpose. And that greater purpose is to contribute, not just to consume for our own self. I always like this example of a candle and an ice cream. What is the similarity? There's both of these, they melt. But what is the difference? When ice cream is about to melt, you say, oh, please eat fast. Consume it before it melts. There is that fear that we should not lose it. So grab it, seize it before it goes off. And for a candle we say, enlighten another candle before it melts. It's in giving, it's in contributing that we rise, not in taking. It is said that the takers eat well, but the givers, they sleep well. So if we really want to sleep well, a sound sleep, then we need to give. And when we contribute and we help others to rise, then automatically we gain those blessings. We accumulate so much of blessings that when our time comes, it is the power of these blessings that make us rise. These blessings are like the spare tire. When you are on a ride, a long ride, and suddenly your tire is punctured. There is no garage nearby. What do? You have a spare tire in the trunk, and you replace the punctured tire with the spare tire, isn't it? And that makes you to go again. So also, if we want to rise during a very sudden fall that we have all facing today, then it is this power of blessings which works as a spare tire. And so we need to work on earning these blessings, not only earning money, because it's like, it is said that those who have only money, they are the poorest of the poor. But those who earn the blessings, those who build upon the character, those who live with a higher purpose in life, those who live with a higher vision in life, they are actually earning the blessings, and they are the richest. That is our highest net worth. And therefore, earn this highest net worth, and that is our real rise in our life.